Yeah, this is Nike's commitment to UN SDGs, focusing on responsible consumption and production, SDG 12. And this is the overview of the Nike. Nike is a leading maker of athletic shoes and related apparel and accessories. It was established in 1964. It is located in Beaverton, Oregon in USA. Nike currently has operations in over 190 countries, and its 2023 revenues stood at 51.2 billion, thus the firm has a robust international coverage. Apart from the typical Nike's innovative spirit in sports, footwear and sustainability has been a company's key area of concern through its move to zero programs. Nike has already accomplished many things. 75% of Nike products use recycled materials, thus setting pace in the fashion and sportswear sector into sustainability. So Nike's main focus is using recycled materials for its production and also a smooth supply chain production. And this is the introduction to UN SDGs. Global framework, there are 17 global goals agreed in 2015 by number of countries all around the world, and there is integrated goals. All the goals are linked to each other. It means that one goals cannot be fulfilled by eliminating or ignoring other goals. And it is also there is global collaborations. There are multiple companies, multiple business partners, governments, different internal and external factors that are contributing for UN SDGs goal. And there is business involvement. The SDGs focus on the engagement of the private sector with calls for firms to seek new ways of working. They are sustainable and offer potential for sustainable growth, while at the same time providing solution to the social and environmental problems. Pretty much as same as the other topics. And Nike's SDG focus is SDG number 12, which is responsible consumption and production. And if you ask why SDG 12 for Nike, because it mostly product athletic products and shoes and track suits, basically the clothes and the shoes that you use while mostly in the sports area and also in the daily wear areas. So why SDG 12 for Nike? First of all, it is high environmental footprint in manufacturing. Manufacturing took a lot of energy. It costs a lot of energy and production. Industry leader in sustainable innovation. Nike has been always a big corporations, challenging a big problem is a good enough task for them, and aligns with customer demand for ethical practices. And Nike's environmental impact. Water uses. Treatments as dyeing consumes water a lot and strains the available resource within the manufacturing process. Carbon emissions. Nike being a global company with supply chain, transportation and production, it has high carbon footprint. Waste generation, there are a lot of non-biodegradable waste that are toxic to environmental in the long run. And Nike's effort to tackle such problems are quite in line with worldwide objectives, because the company aims to achieve business expansion as well as environmental sustainability. And this is the chart of how much is the every element contributing or uh, uh, providing the environmental impact. As you can see, like the 15% is of foam and rubber, and other are leather product assembly, cotton, all the things. And why SDG 12 is important for Nike? So first of all, it's a strategic fit. Nike being a global giant, everybody has eyes on you since you are the topmost company in the athletic area. So it's a strategic fit to be in a current trend, or let's say uh, sustainable development goals. And it's also a consumer demand. Every day consumers are becoming awareness about sustainable goals and what really does pollution to the world. And there is also compliance and innovation. The alignment ensures Nike's continue with the genuine and innovative within a challenging marketplace. And Nike's sustainability achievements, if you talk about that, Nike has made notable progress in its sustainable journey since it's a big company. Recycled materials, at least 75% of the new products contain post-consumer recycled content. That is the products or any wastage that has been left out in the past productions that can be recycled. And other is carbon emission reduction. Nike has also demonstrated its corporate climate responsibility through a 30% cut in supply chain. emissions between 2015 and 2020. And there is waste divergence also, collaboration. Nike, being a member of Fashion Pact, engages its partner across the world in the determination of solutions to sustainability issues within the fashion industry, Coplin. And there is this chart: 64% of reduction, 97% of diversion, 51% women in the workforce, which is also great as a gender equity, which is also a part of the sustainable development goals. And recommendation 1 is circular economy. To align further with SDG 12, Nike can embrace circular economic principles. Product design concentration should be put on the development of products that can be recycled and repurposed. More and more focus should be put on recycled and repurposed product, whether to make your customer aware about reselling the products that they are using or anything like that. And Nike grind expansion: expand the Nike grind program, through which Nike utilizes its product at the end of their useful lives to create high value scrap. Supplier collaborations: integrate suppliers to work together in the closed loop system to cut on its uses of virgin materials and increase resource utilization. Resource utilization is actually a great technique, I would say. Resource utilization, yeah. Implementation of the above discussed strategy will assist Nike organizational leaders in reducing wastage, enhance use of available resource, and improvements of its leadership in sustainability. Recommendation 2: sustainable manufacturing. Uses of renewable energy. Switch all production units to the use of renewable energy. Water efficiency: implementing new generation of dyeing and finishing technologies. Energy efficiency: purchasing energy efficient equipments for manufacturing and production to cut down on total carbon footprint. Consumer awareness: always engaging consumers in Nike sustainability journey. Incentive programs, digital outreach: utilize Nike's websites, applications, and social pages to advance such companies to the move to the zero. And thought to though the engagement of customers, Nike can create better loyalty to its brand while at the same time promoting sustainable solutions at scale. Potential challenges and mitigations: for implementing these recommendations, Nike may face challenges. First of all, the must priority one is high initial cost. Renewable resources in energy recycling and technology take a huge capital investment in their production. So our solution for this is those way costs could be shared and grants could be obtained via collaboration with NGOs and governments. Different type of tariffs and taxes can be reduced, or can be recalculated from government side. And supply chain complexity, yeah, one of the difficulties of operating a network of managers in different countries is that tasks they are performing may be in contact with a wide range of people. Mitigation is leave no doubt about the company's performance by implementing such sophisticated tools as blockchain. Consumer resistance: not all consumers are ready to change their behavior and start recycling their footwear. Mitigation: promote the use of acceptable incentives and make the recycling process easier in order to achieve high participation. Maybe online home delivery, while reselling the consumers product can be a good options. And expected benefits is adapting SDG 12 practices will provide Nike with several advantages. First of all, its brand enhancements. Consumer increasingly prefer sustainable brands as everybody is now aware about the pollutions, global warming, and different kinds of natural disasters that led to human crisis. And there is regulatory compliance, aligning with global environmental standard, reduce legal risks. Cost saving: efficient resource use and waste reduction, lower operational costs. Industry leadership: Nike will continue to set benchmarks for sustainability in the fashion and sportswear sector. These benefits reinforce Nike's position as a responsible and forward-thinking company. And this is the statistics and figures and data: percent of sustainability material within Nike's footwear and apparel segments from 2015 to 2020. And this is also the data: while more than 60% of consumers are spending less in fashion, apparel, and footwear, and are some of the last categories that spending costs affect. Percent of sustainable material Nike should have. So as you can see from the data from 2015 to 2020, there is a significant growth. And conclusion: Nike's alignment with SDG 12 not only reflects its commitment to sustainability but also positions it as a leader in addressing global environmental challenges. Though circular economy initiatives, sustainable manufacturing practices, and consumer engaging campaigns Nike can achieve significant environmental and business benefits by prioritizing responsible consumption and production. So these are all the references, and that's it for this presentation.